Hey friends, it's your boy Darryl, and today we will be doing something really different because we will be decorating our MacBook. So ever since I bought this MacBook of mine, which was like 2 years ago or something, I've never ever give it like a proper cleaning, like the exterior and the interior. So I figured that today is the day that I'll give it some proper cleaning and maybe add some new stickers and remove some of the old ones over here. So before I begin, let me just show you guys how a MacBook will look like 2 years without cleaning. So as you guys can see, there's some dirt patches over here. So it isn't as bad as what I thought it would be, but it is still pretty bad because, you know, 2 years, just imagine 2 freaking years without cleaning. Like, what are you doing with your life, Darryl? As you guys can see, the stickers over here, especially this one, is like on the verge of peeling off. So these are the stickers that we'll be using to decorate our MacBook. Most of these are either gifts from my friends or I just bought it and I didn't want to use it yet. So today will be the day that we will be making full use of these stickers over here. So without further ado, my friends, let's get into it. I'll bring the camera a little closer so you guys can see a better view of what I'm doing. So, okay, perfect. So there's really many different designs over here. With this freedom logo, some, I can't really read this. With this bad boy over here. Some fartsy. This one, this one, this one, this one. We got this metal thing for all the hardcore metal junkies. I survived 5 nights at Freddy's. And we have this badass looking Japanese cat over here. Neko-chan, konnichiwa. Okay, maybe I'll consider putting this, like maybe, like just maybe. Let's just leave the maybes on the right side. And those that we do not want on the other side, so that it is easier for me to like visualize. So this will go on the maybe section, not this one. Nope. This one over here is pretty cool, but a little common in my opinion. The Nike girl. Fartzilla. So this kind of art style is becoming really popular, especially right now. And it is called, I think, like vaporwave. So if you guys want to use this kind of art style as like your wallpaper, I think all you gotta do is to go Google and type in like Japanese vaporwave design, and I think that you can really find designs similar to this thing. So this is pretty artsy as well, and I think that it is not only artsy but gives off a little bit of cute vibe, I guess. Maybe section. So we have pretty much filtered the things that we don't want and the things in the maybe section. So first of all, let's put away the don't ones over here. So let's look through the maybe section, and it's time to make a decision. Decisions. So I think I'll probably keep like some of these over here and just remove the ones that I'm like, you know, getting bored with. So let's go. First of all, I'm gonna give the MacBook a little cleanup because as you guys can see, it is really filled with dirt. So oh my gosh, let's go. Just gonna rinse it a little bit with some water. Come on, go. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. Is this like working or something? Because I literally see like no difference. Okay, maybe a little bit. Okay. What's cleaning without some good tunes on, right? Just give me a moment and I will be back. Oh yeah, here we go. Isn't he just so super cute? So recently I've been really addicted to IU because one of the song, I think it's called like Ending Scene or something, it's just like, oh my gosh, perfection. Okay, tunes on, let's get back to cleaning. Why is it not going away, man? 좀처럼 잠도 잘 자게 될 거야. 행복한 자리에 있어. 그런 말은 하지 마. 제발. 그 말이 또 아픈 거 알잖아. Okay, so apparently, I don't know why, but for some reason my fingers seem to clean better than this paper towel over here. Yeah, it is definitely doing better than the paper towels. Oh yeah, 어떤 마음을 쓰는 건지 너는 모를 거야. So as I'm pasting these stickers, you know, a really meaningful story came about my mind and I'll share it with you guys in a while. So my friends, we are finally done with the sticker pasting. So what do you guys think of this? I think that it is pretty cool, but I think the amount of effort that I use to decide like which position to paste the stickers is like so little. But overall, I'm still pretty satisfied with the results. So my friends, this is the final look. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys on the next one. See you all, my friends. Story time. So the reason I paste this over here is because, for example, if I'm gonna go to Starbucks to study or to do some work, then you know, this kind of gives off a really friendly vibe. And this too over here is mainly just for aesthetic purposes. So the real story is this 4 stickers over here. This guy over here is working a job that he doesn't like, so freedom to him is really important. So the people over here are like his colleagues, you know, always gossiping, always talking behind his back. So he really hopes that one day he will achieve freedom so that he can be as carefree as this guy over here. So that's it for the story and I hope that you guys enjoyed the positioning of my stickers. And just a disclaimer, this guy over here isn't me. So it is just a story that I came up with. I feel that it kind of gives more meaning to the positioning. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little story of mine and the reason for this eccentric positioning, and I will see you guys on the next one. See you all, my friends.